modern nature house design embraces the essence of contemporary architecture, blending seamlessly with its natural surroundings. Spanning 300 square meters, this small house is meticulously crafted to prioritize family living while harmonizing with the environment. Integrating indoor and outdoor spaces, large windows and sliding doors invite the outdoors in, fostering a connection with nature throughout the home. In addition to its captivating architecture and seamless integration with nature, this modern nature house design features a luxurious pool area, enhancing the overall living experience. Nestled within the serene ambiance of the housing complex, the pool serves as a focal point for relaxation and recreation, further enriching the family-centric atmosphere. Within the confines of this modern nature house design, the interior spaces are thoughtfully curated to harmonize functionality, comfort, and aesthetic appeal. Upon entering the home, occupants are greeted by an atmosphere of tranquility and warmth, as natural light pours in through expansive windows, casting a soft glow across the carefully designed interiors. A key feature of this design is its vertical connectivity, exemplified by a large void piercing through the center of the house. This architectural element not only enhances visual appeal, but also promotes unity and continuity between levels. Natural light floods the interior, illuminating communal areas such as the family room and dining area on the first floor. The main living areas, including the family room, dining area, and kitchen, are seamlessly integrated to facilitate family interaction and shared moments. Thoughtfully placed furniture arrangements create inviting spaces for gathering, whether it's cozying up by the fireplace in the family room or enjoying a meal together around the dining table. The layout is thoughtfully organized to cater to both communal interaction and individual retreats. On the second floor, a guest bedroom and work area complement the family room, while a spacious void bridges the gap between this level and the dining area below. The upper floor serves as a sanctuary, housing the master bedroom and children's bedrooms, providing privacy and tranquility when needed.